that we have learned last day, and we shall talk about the next topic, that is organ. So last day we have talked about life processes. I want to know how much knowledge you have about your previous lesson. Do you know how many life processes we have in our body?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody can list? Yes, you please.
Movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, and nutrition.
How many these are?
9.
How many these are? 7. So we learn these 7 life processes. But do you know that how she has said it's 9, it's a 7. Sometimes we forget to learn the long list. The method by which we can learn a long list is called, in a simple way, we can say that we have to make a story or a theme about that, and that is called pneumatics. What does it call?
Pneumatic.
What does it call?
Pneumatic.
What does it call?
Pneumatic.
न्यूमैटिक एम साइलेंट है आपका, और बाकी है न्यूमैटिक. न्यूमैटिक में लास्ट टाइम जैसे हमने पढ़ा था, हमने पढ़ा मूवमेंट, हमने पढ़ा रेस्पिरेशन, हमने पढ़ा सेंसिटिविटी, हमने पढ़ा ग्रोथ. देन लिस्ट आउट द नेक्स्ट वन. ग्रोथ, रिप्रोडक्शन, respiration, excretion, nutrition. This is how much it is difficult, these none, but we have done it by a simple way, that is called pneumatic. In pneumatic we write only the first letter, like the first process that we have learned. What is the process is called? Movement. So we will take M. M for
Movement.
movement. M for
Movement.
M for
Movement.
Movement. The next one is R.
Reproduction.
R stand for
Reproduction.
R stand for
Reproduction.
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 What does it call?
Reproduction.
What does it call?
Reproduction.
The third one is
Sensitivity.
sensitivity. How does we spell it? Sensitivity. How does we spell?
Sensitivity.
इसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में हम स्पेलिंग के लिहाज से हम थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको याद कर लेते हैं. कॉमनली जो मिस्टेक होती है वो आई की वजह से हम थोड़ा सा करते हैं. Sensitivity. So combining these 3 letters, the first letter of movement is M. The first letter of reproduction is R. The first letter of sensitivity is S. That is called Mrs. Similarly, the next one, the fourth process is growth. What does it?
Growth.
What does it?
Growth.
What does it?
Growth.
The next process is
Respiration.
this is reproduction, and this one is
Respiration.
respiration. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप रेस्पिरेशन और रिप्रोडक्शन को एक ही जगह याद करो, आगे पीछे भी हो जाए, it doesn't matter. But this one is respiration. How does we say?
Respiration.
Respiration. Then there is the next one is excretion. Excretion. What is?
Excretion.
It is
Excretion.
excretion. The next one is
Nutrition.
nutrition. What does it?
Nutrition.
So taking the first letter of this one, this is
G.
this is
R.
this is
E.
this is
N.
So this is called Mrs. Grant. Is it easy now?
Yes.
So count the letters. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So there are how many processes we have done today? 7. Is it clear now?
Yes.
How many processes?
7.
And what is the pneumatic for that?
Mrs. Grant.
What is the pneumatic for that?
Mrs. Grant.
Mrs. Grant. Okay. The last time we have talked about little bit that movement. Everyone can move. How the animals move? How the animals move? Do they move whole or a animals move as a whole by using their legs or feet, or they move as a whole. जब एक एनिमल, कोई आप जानवर को देख लो, किसी एनिमल को देख लो या ह्यूमन बीइंग को देख लो, they are moving as a whole. But for the plants, do you think a plant can move as a whole? No. Plants move by parts. Like for example, which plant do you think that can move apart? Yes. Which plant that can move its apart? Plant name: sunflower. Okay. Money plant. A bit of that. Poppy seeds. She's saying poppy seed, जिसको हम खसखस कहते हैं. Poppy seed. Arctic poppies. अच्छा, ठीक है. Arctic poppies. ठीक है. ये वो प्लांट है जिसमें से उनका एक पार्ट जो है वो मूव कर सकता है. जैसे सनफ्लावर है, सनफ्लावर इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल फॉर दैट. हम सबने सनफ्लावर को देखा हुआ है. जैसे जैसे अच्छा सेंसिटिविटी, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेंसिटिविटी, सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट सनफ्लावर. सिमिलरली टच मी नॉट. Touch me not is the plant. Have you ever listened about that? Touch me not. उर्दू में से कहते हैं छुई हुई. मतलब जब आप ऐसे छूते हो तो ये मुई मतलब मर जाते हैं. छुई हुई. इंग्लिश में से कहते हैं टच मी नॉट, यानी कि आप इसको छुए ना. जैसे आप इसको छूते हो तो इसके लीफ जो होते हैं वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, ऐसे हो जाते हैं बेचारे, जैसे वो मर ही गए. बट आफ्टर 2 or 3 minutes they again respire and they become alive. ऐसे. That is similarly, plants are sensitive, human beings are sensitive, so all living things are sensitive. The next one is growth. Do you think non-living things grow?
No.
Non-living things grow? No non-living thing can grow. एक बिल्डिंग जितनी बनी हुई है सदियों से उतनी ही रहती है. कभी सोचा कि बिल्डिंग का साइज बड़ा हो गया हो, या इस डेस्क का साइज सुबह आए तो बड़ा हो गया हो, या बुक का साइज बड़ा छोटा हो गया हो? No. Non-living things cannot grow, but living things can grow. How do they grow? They grow in their size, their height, their volume, and something else. So living things can grow. Living things can respire. The next one is respire. Respire means we take a breath and we take the air inside our body. Lungs do this activity and they separate the oxygen, and then as a result at the end we excrete carbon dioxide. Take a long breath. What is happening? Our lungs are getting bigger. What is happening? Our lungs are getting bigger. So which organ in our body is getting bigger when we take a breath in? Lungs. So lungs are responsible for our respiration. But non-living things, do you think non-living things respire?
No.
Do you think plants respire?
Yes.
Okay. How do the plant respire? Yes, they give out oxygen for us. That's why बार बार ही कहा जाता है do maximum plantation. पौधे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लगाएं. ये कहा जाता है ना, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस हो. Oxygen produce. Everyone should grow, should plant at least one plant for itself. Okay, the next one is the excretion. Yes. Take out waste materials. Living things, they take out many things like our eyes. When we weep, our eyes excrete tears. हम रोते हैं, आंखों से आंसू निकलता है. When we feel not well, that is flu, our nasal secretion comes out. When we spit, our saliva comes out. That is secretion. When we are in hot season, we feel sweat. Sweating is there. So there are when we feel something we go to the washroom, and that is excretion. Clear? These are all kind of excretion. All living things do excrete. Excretion वहाँ पर living things है. But do you think this process is also for the non-living things? No, any non-living things do The next one is the nutrition. What is nutrition? Yes.
Living needs some substances to produce energy.
Everything needs some food, something to eat, something to boost it up energy. अपनी एनर्जी को बूस्ट अप करने के लिए हम सबको कुछ ना कुछ खाना पड़ता है ना. सुबह सुबह अच्छा सा नाश्ता किया हो तो कितना अच्छा लगता है, फिर बंदा फ्रेश नहीं करता है. और नाश्ता ना किया हो तो फिर उठने को हिम्मत ही नहीं होती ना. तो समटाइम्स we feel very fresh when we take fresh fruits, clear, milk, yogurt. ये हमारी न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू में बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो फ्रेश फूड और फ्रेश सैलेड्स खाने की आदत डालें. अच्छी चीज़ों को, प्रोटीन को अपनी डाइट में शामिल करें, अच्छी न्यूट्रिशन को. तो न्यूट्रिशन इज द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग. और द लिविंग थिंग, वो लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए तो न्यूट्रिशन में क्या चाहिए? ओके, लेट्स रिवाइज वन अगेन क्विकली. एम स्टैंड फॉर मूवमेंट, एस स्टैंड फॉर
Reproduction.
मैं बीच बीच में से बोलूंगी ना. एस स्टैंड फॉर
Sensitivity.
E stand for
Excretion.
G stand for
Growth.
N stand for
Nutrition.
and Mrs. Graham stand for 7 life processes of life. Mrs. Graham, M stand for
Movement.
R stand for
Reproduction.
S stand for
Sensitivity.
G stand for
Growth.
R
Respiration.
E
Excretion.
and
Nutrition.
Okay, now you have to draw the table on your copy and you have to match these words like excretion, growing, reproduction and respiration. These are the 4 words and you have to match the exact one. Okay, open your copy and write on the pencil page these 4 letters and in front of these 4 letters with their meanings, and then you will match them with the ruler, using ruler and pencil on your pencil page. Quickly write down these words on your pencil page. I want to see which one can write first. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Done. Wow. Good. Give 1 moment for the others who cannot write yet. Shabash. She has written all 3 words and meanings. Quickly. Make it a straight line. Do not draw the zigzag line. Whenever you have to draw 2 columns on your copy, whenever you have to draw 2 lines on your copy, I have told you that you have to draw a margin line. How you can draw a margin line on your copy? Imaginary margin line like this one. You have to make half of your page on the pink line of your copy. Then this will be the imaginary line on your copy. And then you will draw the line on this imaginary line. ये जो एक रफ सी इमेजिनरी लाइन आपकी बन गई है, आप इसी के ऊपर अपने रूलर से एक लाइन लगा लोगे. If you have the ruler, then you can draw at the same time. If you do not have the ruler, you can draw it afterwards. But keep on working with me. So how many students have written all these 4 words and meanings? Raise your hands, please. Okay. Yes. So, what do you think? Excretion is related to the. Excretion is the. Which one is? Increasing in size, releasing energy, getting rid of waste materials, and making copies. Which one is? Getting rid of waste materials. So you will match with the pencil excretion to the getting rid of copies. Which one is? Getting rid of waste materials. So you will match with the pencil excretion to the getting rid of waste. Growing. Which one is matching to this? Increasing. Shabash. Now it is. I can understand that you can you are going to understand the words and the meanings. Reproducing.
Making copies.
Good, very good, शाबाश. Making copies, ठीक है, अपने ही जैसे नए ऑर्गेनिजम्स बनाना. प्लांट होंगे तो अपने जैसे प्लांट बनाएंगे. थ्रू द, आपने देखा होगा हम प्लांट्स को एक ब्रांच काट के दूसरी जगह लगा देते हैं. जैसे मनी प्लांट अभी किसी ने बोला था, मनी प्लांट में भी आप उसकी एक ब्रांच काट के किसी जगह पर दूसरी जगह पर लगा दे तो नया पौधा ग्रो हो जाता है. बल्ब होते हैं, ट्यूब्स होते हैं, ट्यूबुलर प्लांट्स होते हैं, जिनके जैसे आलू है, आलू एक पोटैटो है, पोटैटो इज अ ट्यूबुलर प्लांट. तो आप उसके एक छोटे प्लांट को, छोटे पौधे को, पोटैटो को कुछ दिन के लिए ब्लैक शॉपर में थोड़ा लगा के रख दें तो उसकी ग्रोथ शुरू हो जाएगी, रूट्स बनना शुरू हो जाएंगी. देन उसको आप उसके पीसेस करके प्रॉपर साइज से, ताकि कुछ ना कुछ क्रॉप उसके पास पहले से मौजूद हो, आप उसे जमीन में ग्रो कर लें, हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसके नए प्लांट्स ग्रो हो जाते हैं. दैट इज रिप्रोड्यूसिंग, मेकिंग कॉपीज इटसेल्फ. तो आलू से आलू प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा. Roots, all the roots of the plant they grow inside the ground. तुमको अंधेरा चाहिए होता है, तुमको ह्यूमिडिटी चाहिए होती है. तो आप ब्लैक शॉपर में उसको थोड़ा नम करके डाल दोगे ना, तो 3 से 4 दिन आपने उसको ब्लैक शॉपर में डाल के थोड़ा नम करके वेट करके थोड़ा सा उसको रख देना 3 से 4 दिन. तो उसके बाद उसमें से ना बडिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. बडिंग मतलब उसकी ऊपर से ना येलो कलर की आइस बनना शुरू हो जाएगी. आम जुबान में से आइस कहते हैं, वैसे इसको बडिंग कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. तो उसकी बडिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. तो आप उसके पीसेस काट करके ना एक एक दो बडिंग के साथ वो थोड़ा सा पोटैटो भी साथ रखना है, ताकि वो शुरू में तो पौधा अपनी खुराक नहीं ना बना पाएगा. तो आपने उसको उसके पीसेस करके जमीन में लगा देना, जो नए पोटैटोज का पौधा वहाँ पर ग्रो होना शुरू हो जाएगा. यू कैन डू इट विद सो मेनी अदर प्लांट्स लाइक आपके पास पुदीना उधर में उतर दिया. वैसे द नेक्स्ट वन इज द रेस्पिरिंग.
Releasing energy.
One and the only one that has been left, that is releasing energy. So what do you think that an organism is? Yeah. Do you think a type of the plant is an organism? No. Do you think a tiny creature that create diseases is an organism?
No.
So a part, any living thing is called. Any living thing. Do you think any living thing is called organism?
Yes.
Yes. Do you think that a part of your body is organism?
No.
No. But a part of your body is called. So what does it called? Organ. Organ is a. चलो आज की हम बात करते हैं. Organ क्या है? Can you hear it? And list different organ in your body? Okay. Which one? Organ. Brain is organ, ठीक है. The next one, heart. Heart is organ. Liver, lungs, kidney, small intestine, large intestine, stomach, gullet, food pipe, anything that you can see on your body is moving is also an organ. Is my head is an organ?
Yes.
Is my leg is organ?
Yes.
Is my shoulders?
Yes.
Yes. If my eyes are?
Yes.
Do you think these are all organs? No, this is also organ. So tongue is also. These are the different organs we have in our body. Inside the body we have some. अंदर में कुछ है छुपे हुए जो नजर नहीं आ रहे. तो अभी जो आपने मुझे मुख्तलिफ नाम बताए, जैसे ब्रेन, we cannot see the brain, we cannot see the lungs, heart, kidneys, liver, stomach. बोलते जाए, speak out, speak out. शाबाश, शाबाश. So all these are organs. Clear? Every organ has different function to do. What does our heart do? Very good. What does our lungs do? Exchange gases. What does a liver do? Toxic. Okay. Other substances जो होते हैं वो toxic substances होते हैं, उनको destroy करते हैं. Okay. The next one is brain. What does a brain do? Yes, you already know something. Everything I think मुझसे तो ज़्यादा आप लोग ही जानते जानते हो, जानी इतना अच्छा आप जानते हो पहले से ऑर्गन के बारे में. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट. ओके, ऑर्गन्स. ब्रेन. ब्रेन आपने कहा कि सारा कुछ कंट्रोल करता है. ठीक है, ब्रेन आपने कहा सारा कुछ कंट्रोल करता है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट ऑर्गन. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अबाउट ऑर्गन. अच्छा, write on your classwork copy your homework today. Write down on your diaries your homework today. Page number 9. Write down on your copy, on your diary. Page number 9. Question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5. Is that? Okay. Now we shall talk about organs. First of all, let's make a list of organs we have in our body. Okay, list. On your pen, if you have done your diary, keep your diary on the top left corner. Close it and complete it and keep it closed on your top left corner of your desk. Have you done your diary?
Yes.
Page number 9, question number 1 to 5 is your homework. Let's make a list of organs. Okay, number 1. यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. Brain. Number 1 is brain. Okay. Number 2 is stomach. Okay. Number 3 is liver. The rectum is also an organ. Heart. Okay.
Large intestine. Bladder. Small intestine.
Small intestine. Lungs. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? क्या हर कोई बंदा सही तरह लिख सकता है? क्या आपकी स्पीड मेरी स्पीड के साथ मैच कर रही है? क्या आप? Number 3 is liver. The rectum is also an organ. Heart. Okay.
Large intestine. Bladder. Small intestine.
Small intestine. Lungs. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? क्या हर कोई बंदा सही तरह लिख सकता है? क्या आपकी स्पीड मेरी स्पीड के साथ मैच कर रही है? क्या आप भी अपनी कॉपी पर मेरे साथ साथ लिख रहे हो?
Do we have to write it on the album?
See, I can write more quickly. I want to see who can write more quickly than me.
Do we have to write it on our page?
Which page? Pencil page. I think 7 and that's enough. Do you think plants also have organs?
Yes.
One, leaves. Let me draw a little bit.
Stem.
कुछ प्लांट ऐसे होते हैं. ये बनी में क्या बना रही हूँ?
Not like this. Roots.
Oh, root बना रही हूँ. Then what is this?
Stem.
Okay. बेचारे को जगह नहीं मिली तो ये तो चला। मैं चाह रही हूँ मैं इसकी ना बेचारे की ऊपर को बनाऊँ। तो यहाँ पर एक बना देते हैं। मैं क्या बना रही हूँ? अच्छा, और ये मैं क्या बना रही हूँ? So how many organs of plant? Flowers, stems, leaves, branches, roots. Roots में भी आगे होती है, सब roots होती है. Petals. A flower has next parts. Flower के फिर आगे parts शुरू हो जाएंगे. Petals होंगी, sepals होंगी, stigmas, stamen, anther, filament, ovary, है ना? Ovules, वो फिर ओके, ठीक है। तो अभी हम पढ़ते हैं कि प्लांट्स के अंदर जो लीव्स हैं, what do they do?
Provide food. No, they trap sunlight to make food for the plant.
They trap sunlight to make the food for the plant. What does this process start? Photosynthesis. The basic requirement for the photosynthesis is
Sunlight.
if we reduce the sunlight, what will happen?
The plant will die.
What will happen to the process photosynthesis? Photosynthesis process will be slow down or fast?
Slow down.
If we put the plant for a longer time to a shiny, bright, sunny day, what will happen? Even then, हाँ, आम जुबान में हम यही कहते हैं कि पौधा जल गया बेचारा, पौधा जल गया, धूप बहुत ज्यादा पड़ी तो पौधा जल गया। आम जुबान में हम बर्निंग कहते हैं उसे। Even then, the process of photosynthesis will slow down or stop. Clear? So this is all about the organs of the plants and living things. We shall continue it for the next time, inshallah. And you all have to read the questions first. The 5 questions that I that given in the book. Read out these 5 questions on this page and ask me if you have any problem in this question. Can you do these all 5 questions?
Yes.
Read out these questions. Read out these questions first and then say yes or no. Read out yourself, please. Be actively. So be proactive, please. Be proactive. Be proactive. अभी हमने कल ही जितनी बात की, be proactive की. Yes, yes. If you want to ask any question, you can ask, please.
These are very easy questions.
These are very easy question. Okay. मेरा ख्याल है मैंने अपने लेक्चर में 5 क्वेश्चन के जवाब दे ही नहीं है। लंग्स भी मैंने जवाब दे दिया, फोटोसिंथेसिस भी जवाब दे दिया। So I have tried to cover all the questions 5 in my
Organs का भी आपने बताया।
organs. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you so much.